but also the turmeric's a wonderful addition.
I know, the turmeric is amazing. Babu, it's turmeric.
This word is not pronounced as turmeric with a y sound. It's pronounced turmeric. Turmeric. You can also pronounce the r and say turmeric. Turmeric.
Face packs, be it turmeric.
The Cora turmeric mask.
This word is not pronounced as tomato or tomato. It's pronounced as tomato. Tomato. You can also say tomato. Tomato. The stress in this word is on the second syllable, so we weaken the first syllable and pronounce it with a schwa sound.
Cherry tomatoes. खटास of the tomatoes. Tomatoes, 2 tomatoes है इसमें.
कि रात को टोमेटो सूप पीता हूँ जैसे, तो वो टोमेटो सूप.
Similarly, this word is not pronounced as potato or potato. It's pronounced as potato. Potato. The stress again is on the second syllable.
Potatoes को ना fries shape में काटो. Take all your potatoes.
I've heard of like potato and tomatoes.
Boiled sweet potato को आपको एक potato accordion बनाना.
This word is not pronounced as jalapeno or jalapeno. It's pronounced as jalapeno. Jalapeno. There is a y sound somewhere after the n. Jalapeno. Some people also pronounce this word as jalapeno. Jalapeno. This is also absolutely acceptable.
आप लेके आए भावनगरी मिर्ची, jalapeno पीछे पड़ी हुई है उसके. Red jalapeno. ये है jalapeno.
This word is not pronounced as pear. It's pronounced as pear. Pear. Like a pair of socks. Pear. If you find it difficult to pronounce the r sound at the end, like I generally do, you can drop it and you can say pear. Pear.
Making a pear breakfast smoothie. Roast pears. When you talk about pears,
When I was approached for USA Pears,
आज हम बनाएंगे mango pear smoothie bowl.
This word is not pronounced as chocolate. It's pronounced as chocolate. Chocolate. The stress is on the first syllable, so we tend to weaken the first syllable and pronounce it with a schwa sound. So we do not say late, we say lit. Lit. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Every single day, I had a slice of chocolate cake. Every day, without fail, I eat a slice of chocolate cake.
maybe you can eat one piece of chocolate cake the whole day, but if that chocolate cake is 500 calories,
But I miss my ghee and butter.
This word is not pronounced as butter. It's pronounced as butter. Butter. I generally find it very difficult to pronounce the r sound at the end, so I just drop it and I say butter. Butter.
probiotic butter spread.
तो पीनट बटर मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
How much butter, but?
Little bit.
कि कोई खास सब्जियां आती है, प्रोड्यूस जिसे हम कहते हैं.
This word can be pronounced in two ways. When you stress the first syllable and say produce, it means fresh fruits and vegetables. When you stress the second syllable and say produce, it means to make. Here, when we change the stress, the meaning of the word completely changes. For example, the farmer produces produce. The farmer produces produce. Because here we are talking about fresh fruits and vegetables, we'll stress the first syllable and say produce. Produce.
With fresh produce and
नहीं अच्छा प्रोड्यूस है मेक श्योर हर एक इंग्रेडिएंट की पूरी यूटिलाइजेशन करें. सर ये सॉस बन रही है सर धीमी धीमी.
ये सॉस किस चीज की है? ये सॉस जो है ये अफसोस तो है.
A lot of people struggle with the pronunciations of the sound O and O. When we say O, we drop our jaw a lot more. For example, so versus saw. Similarly, we do not say sauce, we say sauce. Sauce. We drop our jaw a lot more.
How to make the white sauce all over again.
उसका फ्लेवर मेलो रहे और पूरे सॉस में फैले.
There's so much confusion around the pronunciation of this word, but I want to break it down once and for all. This word can be pronounced in two ways. You can either say almond, almond, and drop the l sound, or you can also pronounce the l sound and say almond, almond. But almond is incorrect. We never say almond. It's almond or almond.
I love an almond/coconut oil, jojoba and almond oil.
Almond milk tandai.
But that almond milk is like made. I really like almond oil.
टमाटर प्यूरी बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए.
This word is not pronounced as puree, it's pronounced as puree. Puree. When you grind something into a thick paste, that's what's called a puree. Puree.
अब निकाल के उसके प्योरे भी कर सकते हैं।
प्योरे टमाटर को मिला के
This word is not pronounced as mojito, it's pronounced as mojito. Mojito. You can also pronounce it as mojito. Mojito. The stress is on the second syllable.
Mojito scrub.
grape mojito. Wow, that's